We've created some components that we think makes our CD carbon dashes the ultimate track day digital displays. First thing that we've come up with is portable power, and that's in the form of our new 12-volt power adapter. It plugs into your cigarette lighter or your 12-volt power source on your vehicle, and it does have a switch on it. The third thing that we have that make this the easiest dash to get in and out of your vehicle for a track day application is our new RAM mounts adapter kit. What we've done is created this bracket here, and we supply a RAM a ball that attaches to a RAM mount assembly. So you're able to go ahead and buy a suction cup or other RAM mount, like a roll bar type assembly, as well as an arm, and pop this whole thing together. So the first thing we're going to do is install our CD carbon digital dash onto our RAM mount assembly. We purchased this RAM mount suction cup and RAM mount arm from RAM Mounts, and we'll supply these part numbers for you. You're going to put that into one end of the assembly and squeeze it down, and then you're going to take your CD carbon dash, either a CD5 or CD7, with the RAM mounts adapter bracket installed, and put it on the other end. And just tighten down the centerpiece, and we are good to go. The last thing that we're going to do is go ahead and attach this kind of where we would like to have it if we were out on the track. We're pretty much installed here. We've got the suction cup on, we've got it tightened down, and we've got a good angle. Again, if we want to loosen it up and adjust it, we have the ability to do that. But for now, so Jason can see it, I'm going to kind of set it right in the center here, and we're installed.
Okay. And unplug it whenever you're not on track.
It's taking you so long, man. Already installed.
Hey, you know what? I'm just trying to help people out here.
Power port's right there.
Yep.
Okay.